Here's day 2, what we're starting with. Okay, today we're gonna clear out all those caddies. I'm gonna take down this wallpaper. This one, I know for sure that I'm not using that next year. I didn't like it. It didn't work. It was too high for the kids. I did buy this bulletin board paper. I'm not sure yet if I want to use it or not, but I have it just in case. I need to continue clearing everything out. And then like the big thing to work on today is the classroom library and all the extra books that I have. Okay, so we've been working. The room's pretty much done. All I need to do is like maybe the library. We came for some food, just because we're hungry now. And then I know I'm gonna be super tired during the passing out of materials. I totally forgot that it's like super hot in Texas. So I'm like wearing a black long sleeve shirt because my house is normally cold. So I like these shirts. So it's gonna be a pain being outside handing out things with this shirt. I do have a school shirt, I think, in my classroom or in my backpack. I just need to make sure that I didn't take it out last week and then hopefully change into that. So my principal is retiring this year, so I was just writing a thank you note and telling her how much I appreciated that she gave me the opportunity to start my teaching career. And just like that, my 3rd year of teaching is over. Here is my classroom for the 2019-2020 school year. Everything is pretty much done. I actually didn't tackle much of my classroom library just because it was very overwhelming. So I know I'm going to regret that next year. But here it is what it looks like. Okay, we are home now. It was so good to see some of my kids and like wave to them and talk to them for a little bit. We had about half of the parents go for their kids' materials. Some of them like just went by themselves, but most of them did have their students with them, so it was great saying goodbye to them, even though it was super hot and we had to be wearing our mask, and it was like, I'm sure it was almost 100 degrees here in Texas.
I for sure know it was over 90 degrees, so it was super hot, and then keeping it on was hard. So I did not end this up because during the materials drop off, my assistant principal, who is unfortunately going to leave next year, was talking to me about summer school. I had mentioned it to her before, but like I had finally decided that I didn't want to do it. And then like even before this COVID thing happened, but she is actually the principal for the summer school, and then she's actually moving next year, going to be principal at a different school. So it's sad that I'm losing my assistant principal and my principal, because my principal is actually retiring, but we have met our new principal and she seems great. Anyways, so she was talking to me and she was wondering if I wanted to do summer school, and I immediately said no, because that like we had agreed on this already. But then she was letting me know that like she needed to find everyone by today, and then so I just told her to give me a second to think about it. So like on our drive back home, I was telling Eric about it, and we discussed it. And I mean, even though online teaching has been very hard, I feel like these parents that enrolled their kids in the program really want that. So I feel like they're going to be very engaged. That's like what I'm crossing my fingers for, because they are the ones signing them up. So I think that I'm going to get a lot of more kids participating. And then also something is that it's going to be pre-K level. So that scares me a bit, but that's what I really, really wanted. So like the reason behind why I originally wanted to do summer school was because I want to try a lower grade level without like fully committing. Pre-K is very low though, but I think it's gonna be great because my toddler's about to start pre-K in the fall, so it's gonna be good to see that. And it's also only 3 weeks, so I'm gonna go for it. So I am going to be teaching from home during the summer, and our last day is gonna be June 25th, and I start June 2nd. So it's about 3 weeks. So I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a huge learning opportunity. Not only like curriculum wise, but it's also gonna be really good for like online teaching, just in case like we start off the year this way next year. I'm gonna kind of get a little glimpse of that, which I really, really hope that we don't start the year this way. But I mean, like that, at least I'll have what I did this time as a backup. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. And sorry it was super short, but now I'm rambling and it's gonna double in time. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.